Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So in this video, I'm just going to show you the top 3 ways to research Mother's Day print-on-demand products that you can then create and sell. Mother's Day is coming up pretty soon in North America, and we want to make sure that we're ready for it. So number one is Google. That's your friend. You can go there and you can put in a lot of stuff, but things like, best Mother's Day gifts. And then you'll get a whole bunch of results here, starting with like 50 best gifts for mom, 58 best Mother's Day gifts. What is the best? The best Mother's Day gift ideas 2021. 80 best gifts for mom 2021. So a lot of these I find will be like affiliate products sometimes, and they'll just like write an article. Like for example here, Business Insider. You go here. These are actually right here, a trio of succulents from the sill. If you look at down in the bottom left, it says shareasale.com. So Business Insider actually wrote an article and they put a whole bunch of affiliate links in it, which is like smart, right? Because people will go there and look at that. Same with most of these. That's what they're doing. So now, if you want to narrow it down, you go like Mother's Day gifts from daughter. If you go down to the thing, and here we get on the top. These are Google Shopping ads. So there's things like Pandora, which is for a bracelet. So it says, "Thanks for being my mom." And then this thing, this Udi, which is something that my girls have and they actually wear and they like. This one, Your Name, Best Mom Ever, personalized book. That's pretty cool. Necklace, like a heart and an infinity thing for 139 bucks. Relax wrapped gift. So there's a whole bunch of different ideas. If you click more, you'll see a whole bunch of other ones. A lot of necklaces, a lot of jewelries, a lot of cards, a lot of love books, a lot of all that stuff. So bracelets, perfume, all that good stuff. But I find what works best is basically the stuff where it's either funny or it's like sentimental. I find that works really, really well. So I could go here too, and I could go to images, see what comes up. And again, it's gonna be a lot of necklaces, which is cool. Mother-daughter ones, mugs. So let's see what this one says. Mom, from teenage tantrums to adult ones, thanks for always handling my crap. So that is actually something that's kind of funny. And that's obviously to a mom. So I'm going to take a screenshot of that. Take screenshots as you go too, right? And I'll save that to a folder. Keep it all organized. That might be selling really well. So Stir Crazy Gifts. You can go down this rabbit hole too. So you click it, you'll be taken to their store. And you can see that they've got the mug on here, and they probably have more as well. So if you go to products, yeah, so this is definitely a print-on-demand store on, I'm thinking, yeah, Shopify. So if we go here and we go to products and then coffee mugs, see there's a whole bunch probably. Dad, mom. You can even search too. So if I go like this and just put in mom, see what comes up, if anything. Don't want to send me notifications. Might take a second because it looks like they got quite a few products. Best mom ever. Personalized too, right? That's pretty cool. So let's open that in a new tab. So in here, it says best mom ever, Mommy Sarah. Or you can put like your mom's name, right? Oh, there. Something like this, we could easily do as well. So let's really take a screenshot of that. Just personalized mom, best mom ever. Pretty cool. Good idea. All right, so that's number one. Go to Google, and you'll go down a lot of different ones. Go to the main one, then go to images, and you'll see a whole bunch. And then you can actually start looking at stores based on that. The second thing that you're going to want to do is something that I do quite a bit of, and that is called creating your own. So we're going to, instead of searching Google for Mother's Day gifts, we're going to go back to all. And I'm going to go like this. Mother's Day quotes. So here, 120 best Mother's Day quotes for mom. So perfect. Shutterfly. Let's open that up, see what happens. They usually give a big list. A mother is your first friend, your best friend. Wait, a mother is your first friend, your best friend, your forever friend. Cool. So there's a whole bunch in here, right? When you are looking at your mother, you are looking at the purest love you'll ever know. Mother is a heartbeat in the home, and without her, okay, mothers are like glue. Even when you can't see them, they're still holding the family together. Okay, so something like this, right? So I could take this and I could create a Google Doc. Just go to Google Doc. Let's create a new one. And in this one, I'll just paste that. So mothers are like glue. Even when you can't see them, they're still holding the family together. So you could do this. Dear Mom. Instead of mothers, you are like glue. Even when we don't see you, you're still holding the family together. Happy Mother's Day. So that could be from anyone, though, right? Like a daughter, son, husband, whatever it may be. So, dear Mom, you are like glue. Even when we don't see you, you're still holding the family together. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. That's kind of cool, right? Or you could go to other ones. She's beautiful, soft at the edges, tempered, whatever. Mother's name for God in the lips of hearts of little children. All right. So that's Mother's Day quotes, but here's something else. Try this. 10 things you got to say to your mom on Mother's Day. Ooh. All right. I love you no matter what. You're right. You're my hero. You're the world's best cook. Thank you. I'm glad you're my mom. I'm sorry. What can I do for you? You're beautiful. Let's sit and talk. So let's pluck one out here. So, Mom. Let's do this. Dear Mom. Oops. I want to paste that without the formatting. Didn't I just paste that without the formatting? Oh, okay. Whatever. Don't like that. Go away. So let's go paste without formatting. That's better. Thank you. All right. You are my hero. And then we can do this. Love always your daughter. You could do that. That'd be from like the daughter. And I just made that up. So I just chunked together a whole bunch of different ones, like 2 of them, put it into the greeting card format. And the greeting card format is like this. Greeting card format for print on demand products. And it goes dear blank. Quote goes here. Love blank. That's it. So for Mother's Day, it's dear Mom, quote, love your son, love your daughter, love your husband, whatever it may be. That's how you do the greeting card format. Works very well. And you can find a whole bunch of quotes. Pinterest is another really, really good resource for quotes. .com. Probably try and make me log in here. I'll go away. I don't want that. Gotta go incognito. It's trying to log me into something. Do this. Oh, actually, I do have to log in. Okay. Can't remember my password. Alright, whatever. So let's go like this. Or wait, we'll go mom quotes. Now we got a whole ton of these. I am a strong woman because the strong woman raised me. Being a mom is a reason, best reason you'll ever have to take care of you. You only live once, but if you do it right, okay. I gave you life, but really, okay, I used to be cool. Now I'm a tiny person snack bitch. Funny. My daughter's going to change the world, so that's the wrong way. Dear Mom, because of you, I am who I am today. Thank you. I love you. There you go. There's one. There's a whole bunch of them. It used to be you could see the pins on here and how many people like repinned it, but now you can't. So it's not as good. Anyway, you get the idea. That's number 2 is create your own. And number 3 is the old standby, which everybody uses, is Etsy. So the only problem with this is everybody does use this. So you have to be careful because you're going to be, if you want to really, really, really do well, go be unique and be first to market. So if you go here and you find something that everybody else is doing, you make your own version, that's fine. But then if you're wondering why you're not getting any sales, odds are it's because you did what everybody else does, right? So don't do that. So let's see this. I typed in card because I can then look inside the card at what it actually says. Or is that just an outside? Really? The stuff they sell on Etsy just blows my mind. I guess it's a piece of wood. Okay, fine. Interesting. We can also look for best sellers. Does this have anything actually in it? What's this say? Handmade by Laura. Okay. So that is literally just the outside of a card. Bad example. Happy Mother's Day. If you think this card is shit, you should see the care home I found for you. Okay, so alright, so what I would do, instead of that, I would take that and I would go like this. I'd go like, okay, coffee mug idea. If you think this mug is shit, you should see the retirement home I picked out. So you can put that, and it's kind of like inappropriate, but it's funny, and that might work. You can see here, reviews for this item is 136. So that means 136 people bought it. And if we assume that, like maybe 5% actually write a review, then that means this sold over like 2,700 cards. Which to me, based on this review thing, and based on me assuming only 5% of the people actually write a review, means that it's a winner, right? So you could easily put that onto a coffee mug. And it'd be a funny Mother's Day coffee mug. And actually, I think that's a really good idea. So I'm going to, well, I already put it on my sheet. But this, I think would work really well. Really, really well. Because if they have a sense of humor, like kind of a warped one, I think is a good one. So I probably shouldn't have given that one away. Damn. Oh well. Anyway, that's what Etsy is good for in my mind. Like, the Mother's Day cards are there, and then you can find jewelry, you can find all that other stuff. So, funny mother coffee mug, you can do that too. You get a bunch. So this is what people do though. They come here and then they'll find one, and then they're just gonna. I've seen this one before. So this is one that I actually would make too for Mother's Day. I just think it's funny. And you can see it's got 7 reviews. So this one hasn't sold a ton, but I've seen this saying all over the place. I think it could work very well. So anyway, that is Etsy. That's how I would use it. Don't, like I said, be first, be unique, be first to market. You'll do a lot better. So to close this off, I think what we do, I gave you 3 ways, but what you want to do is create a Google Sheet. And in that sheet, take your screenshots and put them in there with the quote and where you found it, the URL and all that stuff. Eventually, you're going to have a Google Sheet, which will be your database of ideas. Then you can use Canva, or you can use Photoshop, or you can outsource it to Fiverr to actually create a design. Then you upload that to your print-on-demand company of choice. I have a few that I like a lot. And now you're ready to start testing products for Mother's Day. So you're going to have to test quite a few in order to find a winner. I would shoot for like at least 30 tests in order to find one big winner. Then when Mother's Day rolls around, when that season is in full swing, you'll be ahead of the game because you already tested like 30 products to find your big winner that you can scale. All right, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments or send me an email. I'll be happy to help you out. So I hope that was valuable. You guys have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.